Hey, what's up? It's your girl Gigi, and in today's video, we are going to be looking at this month's voxbox from Influenster. As you can see, I already opened my box. Sorry. But we are going to be achieving this wash and go with the products. So let's go ahead and get right to that. But before we do that, I just want to say, if you're new to my channel, welcome. And go ahead and click that subscribe button down below, because I know you want to. If you're a returning subscriber, hello, my dear. Also, follow my social media accounts so we can be friends. so now that my hair is finally dry, as you can see, it's a little darker in here because it got late. But my hair is finally fully dry. My scalp was a little bit damp, but it's definitely like 90% dry. I will definitely say that let me grab it. That not even only the 3-Minute Miracle deep conditioner, but just the regular conditioner. It has like so much slip and it's like very moisturizing. And it says that it is made with coconut and jojoba oil from Australia. So that's pretty, I don't know, but it's amazing. Like, it's very moisturizing, very, very moisturizing. The shampoo that I was using, the Cream of Nature shampoo, it was really good, but it was only an apple cider scalp detox. It wasn't as thorough as I wanted it to be sometimes, especially now that it's summer and you know your scalp sweats and you get pretty hot. So you do sometimes want to get like all of that dirt off. So I would definitely say that their shampoo was really good. And I really missed the lather. Like I'm trying to get away from products that lather, because most of the time that means that they have some kind of chemical in them that makes it lather. So I like to do, that's why I was using the Cream of Nature apple cider vinegar detox cleanse, whatever it was called. It's in my like CANTU video. It's in that video. But that's why I was using that, and that's why I was using the DEVACURL micellar scalp thingy from DEVACURL. I have a video on that also. You could go ahead and check that out. I'll put the link for both of those in the description box. But the point is that I kind of missed the lather, and this it definitely made my scalp feel very clean, and my hair didn't feel too stripped. It didn't feel like lifeless and dry and that brittle feeling after you use like a cheap shampoo or a very a shampoo with a lot of chemicals in it. So I would definitely say that this is a good shampoo. I would use this probably like 80% of the time, and then I would try and mix in like a scalp detox or like a clarifying co-wash kind of product instead. I probably wouldn't use this as my main one, but I have to see it. You know, I just used it once so I can show you guys what the wash and go is gonna look like. What I'm saying, I really like it. That's all I'm gonna say. For the deep conditioner, I will say that I left it in for 30 minutes, and as I feel like as all natural girls, all curly girls, all whatever, I feel like we definitely do not leave it in as long as it tells you to. You leave it in way longer because you feel like, you know, it needs to really penetrate your hair, and that's definitely what I did. And I feel like even if you left this on for 3 minutes, it's so moisturizing that I feel like it will definitely, it's just very moisturizing. So I would use this often, and because it's only 3 minutes, you can use it like even for like a refresh, like a quick one if you have some time in your day and you don't have to like rush out of the house. I would definitely use this and just do a quick, like super quick refresh and only use this. So I definitely can say that this is going to be something I use a lot. And I heard that Aussie is actually, this brand is actually very affordable, and they sell it in like drugstores and stuff like that. So it's not like hard to get, just like CANTU. Like that's why I like CANTU, because they sell it at beauty supply stores, dollar stores, drugstores. They sell it, like, I feel like they sell it a lot of places. So I definitely will be trying out the Aussie collection, and I also really want to try out on this info card that I got from Influenster that came in the box. It has like all of the Miraculous Curls products in this line, and I definitely want to try the curling styler. The point is that they have a curl, some kind of like product that is like a styler, and for this video I used my regular CANTU curl activating cream as my styler because it didn't come in the box, and I just wanted to show you guys the wash and go that you would get from it and review that part. But I just dropped that. But I definitely am gonna look into getting the cream and try and do a full video and see if that makes it better, or, you know, see if it like changes it a little bit, because, you know, they say that if you use the whole line together, it works a lot better. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that out for probably maybe one of my next videos. But yeah, I really enjoyed this month's voxbox, and yeah, stay tuned, you guys. Like I said, if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. If you stayed watching this long, I love you. But yeah, go check out some of my other videos. Comment down below, give me some suggestions on what you guys might want to see, because I want to make sure my content is something that, you know, you guys all can enjoy, or anybody can enjoy. It's just, you know, it has a lot of variety in there. So if you guys have any ideas, anything you guys want me to try out, then go ahead and comment that down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Peace.